Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use wire parameter in 3ds Max with different objects. So let's don't waste the time and start into the first of all go to this objective pyramids and get box. You're on wish. I'm gonna just show how it works, just a basic tutorial. So here we got two boxes of different heights. So firstly, right click on one box, then Y parameters, object height, then do the same thing, object height. Yeah, then this window gonna show up. Now when we in this interface we can see two-way connection, one-way connection. This is also one-way connection, the right parameter, this is to the left parameter. So in height we're gonna select two-way parameter, two-way connection, and then connect. You can see the height of both boxes has automatically changed and it is same now. See if now the height of these both boxes are equal. Then if we are going to the second box to height, then if we put into, let's say, into 2, then update. So see the height is almost double of this. And if we put divided by 2 and then update, then you can see how the height is changing. If you go to the modifier, see, oh sorry, in height, see the height is changes as per like the parameter wiring. The both objects are changing their heights accordingly. So that's how the height works in this. Now let's close this. Let's close this interface. After height, let's change the position. Again, select the object, Y parameter, transform, then let's say position at x-axis, then select this, then transform, again position on x position, then again select this two-way connection, and then let's say if we put the value of plus 30 and then connect and then update. Let's put value of minus 50 and then update. You can see it is changing their shapes. And if you want to change here on the first box, we can put this different value, let's say 70, and update. So the first box gonna move. We can't bring it out. It's together, let's say 100. Update. Oh. Plus 30 and Upgrade, yeah. See, that's how we can change the position and height of in the base with the basic parameter wiring in basic objects, and also we can change the height as well. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.